Every trial begins long before the courtroom doors open. For the students of Millionaire Mind Kids Law and Justice Academy, that journey began with 1 week of training from real trial attorneys, forensic experts, sheriff's personnel, and professionals from across the justice system. They learned that the courtroom is not a place for guessing. It is a place where every statement must be supported, every question has a purpose, and every role carries responsibility. In only a few days, these students were introduced to the skills real attorneys and justice professionals use every day: examining evidence, preparing witnesses, making arguments, understanding procedure, and standing with confidence under pressure. But more than that, they learned what justice demands: truth, discipline, courage, and respect for the process. Now, after a week of preparation, they step into the courtroom not just as students, but as advocates, witnesses, jurors, and future leaders. This is Millionaire Mind Kids Law and Justice Academy. And today, they take their case to trial.
Good afternoon, Ms. Green. Do the people want to make an opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. My name is Aiden Gonzalez, and I'll be prosecuting on behalf of the state of California. At 9:02 in the afternoon of March 14th, a student submitted an essay for a contest that may award him a scholarship of $5,000. The student had been working hard on this essay for over a week, perfecting every little detail so that it was just right and perfect. And this allowed him to win the competition on March 20th. At least that's what we're to believe. Upon further inspection, his paper seems a little too good, especially when compared to his previously submitted works. The day prior, there had been an unauthorized login to the school's grading system, and the day after, there had been a fire set in a trash receptacle behind the media center in order to destroy evidence. Jordan Rise, the winner of the statewide essay competition, is being accused of writing an AI-generated essay and trying to hide the evidence. To the stand, we'll call an English teacher at First Community High School, an IT administrator for the same school, a deputy for the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department, a fire investigator, and the competition coordinator. The defense will try to claim that we cannot tie any of these events back to student Jordan Rise and that they are all coincidental, unrelated. We will prove the opposite and that Jordan Rise is the one who started the fire in order to burn any incriminating evidence against him. And we hope after hearing all the evidence that you will find the defendant guilty of his crimes. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Ms. Green, would you like to present a defense opening statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Sire, and today we are standing before you to clear Jordan Reyes of all the alleged crimes against him. Jordan sits before you as an innocent, intelligent, hardworking student that the people claim used AI to write out an essay to win the $5,000 scholarship, committed arson to destroy evidence, and access a computer unauthorized. However, this cannot be proven because it cannot be verified who logged into the computer, and the evidence for AI detection is unreliable. Therefore, this doesn't prove that Jordan used AI for his evidence, as well as the evidence for his alleged arson crime, because the photo from their surveillance video is unclear and we really don't know who started the fire. So today, the people must prove beyond the reasonable doubt of every element of every crime, which they'll be unable to do. You will hear evidence from our 4 defense witnesses, starting with Jordan Reyes. He is here to explain that winning the scholarship was an excellent opportunity to advance in his education, so he tried his absolute hardest within his essay to show he is intelligent, capable, and willing to do right by this $5,000. His friend Phoenix Brown is also here to support this by explaining that he made a statement saying he used AI within his writing rules to complete his essay to the best of his ability. The technology expert, Dr. Blue Garcia, is here as well to explain that the AI detection tool is not reliable and cannot prove he used it to write his essay. And lastly, the school admin, Quinn Lively, is here to explain that there are no clear rules regarding using AI, so per Jordan's judgment, he provided his essay to the standards provided. And after all this is said, at the end of this hearing, we ask that you please find Jordan Reyes not guilty.
Thank you, Ms. Green. People want to call their first witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to call Sunny Patel to the stand.
All right.
Sunny Patel.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may take a seat.
People may inquire. Are you guys having the witnesses spell their first and last name? Did you guys do that? All right, Ms. Patel, can you spell your first and last name for the record?
My real name?
No, your stage name.
So sorry.
Ms. Patel, can you spell your last name?
Patel.
Thank you, Ms. Patel. You may inquire, Mr. Gonzalez. Who's going to question Ms. Patel? My apologies. Good afternoon.
Good
And who am I speaking to?
Taylin Thomas.
Good morning, or good afternoon, Ms. Thomas. You may inquire.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
Please introduce yourself to the court.
My name is Sunny Patel, and I have been teaching English for over 12 years.
How long have you known Jordan Reyes?
Jordan has been my student since the beginning of the school year.
How would you describe Jordan as a student?
Jordan is a consistent student who usually earns B grades.
Before the contest essay, how would you describe Jordan's writing?
Jordan often struggled with organization and used simpler sentence structures with occasional grammatical errors.
Did you review Jordan's essay submitted on February 10th?
Yes, I did.
Did you also review the essay Jordan submitted for the scholarship competition?
Yes.
What differences did you notice between the two essays?
The competition essay used advanced vocabulary, more complex sentence structures, and a more polished tone.
Were those differences significant?
Yes, they were very noticeable.
What did you do after noticing those differences?
I reported my concerns.
Were your concerns based on your experience as an English teacher?
Yes.
Did the essay appear much more advanced than Jordan's prior work?
Yes, it did.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Cross-examination. Is anyone going to? Yes. And who am I speaking to?
Chesapeake Norfolk?
Good afternoon. You want to cross the witness?
Yes, please.
All right, go ahead.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Absolutely.
You teach at First Community High School, correct?
Yes.
You've taught for 12 years, correct?
Yes.
Is Jordan your student?
Yes.
Is it true that Jordan has consistent grades in your class?
Yes.
Is it true that Jordan has constant errors in his work?
Yes.
When reading the competition essay, you noticed a drastic change within his work compared to that of a month ago.
Yes.
You recognize aspects of his work that differentiated from his previous work, correct?
Yes.
You recognize the fact that this competition assignment was important to him, correct?
Yes.
Did you observe Jordan use AI directly?
No.
Do you know how to identify AI-generated writing?
No.
His changes were more advanced to you, despite him saying that this was an important assignment that mattered to him?
Yes.
You do know and have observed students improve over time, correct?
Yes.
Your testimony is based off comparison of his work and experience and is not certain.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Your testimony is based off comparison of his work and experience and is not certain.
Yes.
To summarize, your testimony is based off a comparison of work to that of a month ago, and by your observations may be AI generated, although you have no proper training of AI identification.
Yes.
Thank you, Honor. I have no further questions.
Thank you.
May the witness be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, Ms. Patel, you're excused. People want to call their second witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to call Leslie Hill to the stand.
All right, Leslie here.
Leslie Hill. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may be seated.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hill. For the record, your last name is spelled Hill, correct?
Yes.
Thank you for coming to court. You may inquire. And who do I have in front of me?
Sophia Felix.
Felix? You want to question the witness, Ms. Felix?
Yes, please. May I proceed?
Absolutely.
What is your name?
Leslie Hill.
What is your occupation?
I am an IT administrator at Jordan Reyes School.
Do you remember what occurred on approximately March 13th at approximately 8:14 p.m.?
Yes, I do. The restricted grading portal was accessed using credential associated with a staff account.
What device had access to it?
A Chromebook laptop.
Whom did it belong to?
The Chromebook belonged to Jordan Reyes.
What was the ID number?
The ID was 44521.
Was there a file opened at 8:16 p.m.?
Yes, there was.
What was the file name?
The file name was Essay Rubric Advanced.
Did anything happen after that?
Yes, at 8:18 p.m., there was another login from a different account that was within the same network range.
When did that session end?
The session ended at around 8:22 p.m.
Does your system currently have security measures in place?
No,
How difficult would you say it is to log into someone else's account?
not very, given that passwords are sometimes reused.
How likely is it that someone, not the defendant, had gained access to Jordan Reyes' device and used classified, likely stolen, staff credentials to view a restricted file at 8:14 p.m., a file that benefited not them, but rather the defendant?
Very unlikely.
Is it all coincidental?
Logically speaking, it would be extremely surprising if so.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Would the defense like to cross-examine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Who do I have that's going to cross?
Xavier Martinez.
Good afternoon, Mr. Martinez. You can proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You were responsible for maintaining the school's digital systems, correct?
Correct.
You were not physically present when the grading portal was accessed, were you?
I was not.
You never personally saw Jordan Reyes using the Chromebook that night, correct?
Correct.
The login records only show that the device was used, not who was sitting behind it, correct?
Correct.
The Chromebook was assigned to Jordan, but that does not prove Jordan was the person using it, correct?
Correct.
Your reports state that usernames and passwords are sometimes reused, right?
Yes.
So it's possible another person could have known or obtained those credentials, correct?
Perhaps.
The school did not require two-factor authentication at that time, correct?
Correct.
Two-factor authentication would have made unauthorized access more difficult, correct?
Perhaps.
You testified that another login occurred from a different account within the same network range, correct?
Correct.
A shared network range can include multiple users, right?
Right.
The network information does not identify a specific individual, does it?
It does not.
You cannot say with certainty who entered the username and password, can you?
I cannot.
You cannot say with certainty who opened the file labeled Essay Rubric Advanced, can you?
No.
In fact, your report specifically states that you cannot confirm who was physically using that device at the time, correct?
Correct.
So your conclusion is based on device and account activity, not direct observation of Jordan Reyes, correct?
Yes.
Therefore, it remains possible that someone other than Jordan Reyes accessed the portal, doesn't it?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Thank you.
Good job. May the witness be excused.
Yes, the witness is excused. Do the people have another witness they'd like to call?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to call Deputy Morgan Yamato to the stand.
Deputy Morgan Yamato.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
Good afternoon, Deputy Yamamoto. Your last name is Y-A-M-A-T-O, correct?
Yes.
And who's questioning for the people?
I will be, sir.
All right,
Your Honor.
go ahead, sir.
May I proceed?
Yes.
You're a deputy with the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department,
Yes.
and you received a report about an incident at First Community High School.
Yes.
What was the report for?
Smoke coming from behind the school's media center.
What was the origin of the smoke?
A metal trash receptacle that looked like it recently contained a fire.
Was there a fire ongoing when you arrived?
No.
Was there anything in the trash receptacle?
A couple of burnt handwritten notes, documents resembling an essay draft, and a login.
Were any of these contents completely readable?
No.
What did you do when you arrived on the scene?
Secured the scene to prevent contamination and called the fire department.
What did the fire department do when they arrived?
They launched an investigation.
What did you do while they investigated?
I interrogated certain people.
Did you learn anything from these interrogations?
Yes, that there was a person in a black hoodie wandering around near the school media center that day.
Do you know the identity of this person and if they may have started the fire and why?
No.
Have you heard of rumors concerning an unauthorized login to the school's computer system?
Yes.
Do you think these incidents may be related?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. And who would like to call the witness?
I would.
And good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And who do I have in front of me?
Isis Ogwin.
What's your last name?
Ogwin.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You may inquire.
Thank you. What is your name?
Deputy Morgan Yamato.
You received a report on March 21st about smoke coming from the media center, correct?
Correct.
There was a metal trash receptacle that was on fire, correct?
Yes.
When you got there, was it extinguished?
Yes.
Do you know who extinguished it?
No.
You observed partially materials, correct? Partially
Yeah.
burned materials, correct?
Correct.
What were the materials?
A couple of burnt handwritten notes, printed documents, and logins.
Could you read them?
No.
So you don't know what these documents actually were.
No.
You secured the area and contacted the fire department.
Yes.
Did you watch while they arrived?
Yes.
You watched the deployment of a trained accelerant canine, correct?
Correct.
You saw the dog alert to a specific area, correct?
Correct.
Are you trained in canine detection or fire investigation?
No.
So you don't know what this alert meant?
No.
Did you see any accelerant containers such as gasoline or lighter fluid?
Not that I can find.
Based on the information you gathered, there was a person wearing a dark hoodie.
No.
The same person was seen in the general area near the media center before the fire was discovered, correct?
Correct.
Was anyone able to give a clear identification of the individual in the dark hoodie?
No.
So no one knows who actually started the fire.
No.
After doing your preliminary investigation for fire, you became aware of concerns related to a student's essay submission and unauthorized access to a school computer system, correct?
Correct.
Can you point to Jordan Reyes? Did you see him at the fire?
No.
Did you see him at the scene?
No.
Did you witness anyone starting the fire?
No.
Do you believe that Jordan Reyes could have started the fire?
Yes.
So, to sum up, you have no evidence connecting him to the crime, no accelerant, yet you still believe there's a possibility that he could have started it.
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May the witness be excused?
Yes. Do the people have another witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to call Sage Taylor to the stand.
All right.
Sage Taylor.
Okay, my bad.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
Good afternoon, Sage Taylor. Who's going to be questioning Taylor?
Leah Jackson.
Good afternoon, Ms. Jackson. You may inquire.
What's your name and occupation?
My name is Sage Taylor, and I am a fire investigator.
How long have you been employed as a fire investigator?
8 years.
What are your primary responsibilities in this role?
Determining the origin and cause of a fire.
Did you have to go to school or get trained to figure out how fires start?
Yes, I have received training.
On March 21st, did you get called to go look at a fire?
Yes.
Where was this fire located?
It was located behind the media center.
Was the fire already extinguished by the time you arrived?
Yes.
Did you examine the metal trash receptacle where the fire occurred?
Yes.
What did you see inside the receptacle?
Partially burned paper materials, handwritten notes, and printed documents.
Was a canine part of the investigation?
Yes.
Did the canine conduct a systematic search of the area?
Yes.
What did the canine alert?
The canine alerted a specific portion of the burned materials inside the receptacle.
What else did the canine alert?
The canine alert indicates the possible presence of an eligible liquid.
Did you collect samples from the area?
No.
Did you conduct any laboratory testing?
Yes.
Were you able to identify any accelerant based solely on the canine alert?
I cannot identify a specific accelerant.
Did an accelerant get used to start or enhance the fire?
The presence of a canine alert combined with the burn pattern is consistent with the possibility that accelerant may have been used to start or enhance the fire.
Did you locate any containers?
I did not locate any containers or liquids.
Did you observe any evidence identifying the person responsible for the fire?
No.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. And who's going to cross?
Carla Sanchez.
Good afternoon.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
Did you arrive at the fire scene while the fire was still burning?
No.
Was an accelerant detection canine used during your investigation?
Yes.
Did the canine alert to any area?
Yes.
Does a canine alert prove that an accelerant was definitely used to start the fire?
No.
Did you personally conduct laboratory testing on the samples you collected?
No.
Based on the canine alert and burn pattern, can you say with certainty an accelerant was used?
No.
Are there situations where materials can produce a false canine alert?
Yes.
Did you recover any physical evidence identifying a specific person as responsible for starting the fire?
No.
Is your conclusion based on the canine's alert?
Yes.
Are there limitations to relying on a canine alert in a fire investigation?
Yes.
Did you personally see anyone at the scene starting the fire?
No.
Are your findings regarding the possibility of accelerant use just that of a possibility and not a certainty?
Yes.
So to summarize your investigation, you found that the fire started in the trash receptacle may have involved an ignitable fluid based on a canine alert, but there is no conclusive evidence of accelerant use or the identity of the person who started the fire. Is that correct?
Correct.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
May the witness be excused?
Yes. I believe the people have one more witness.
The people would like to call Finley Gonzalez to the stand.
Finley Gonzalez.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the full truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
Good afternoon. Who do I have questioning witness Gonzalez?
Jacob Gatchman.
Good afternoon. You may inquire.
What is your name?
Finley Gonzalez,
What is your occupation?
competition coordinator,
As a competition coordinator, what do you oversee?
the statewide essay competition,
For a statewide essay competition, what is the scholarship prize?
$5,000.
What do you rely on?
The participating schools to assure compliance,
And how are AI detection tools used?
part of the review process.
What concerns your review informed about after the winner already had been announced?
We did not independently verify whether the essay was AI generated.
No further questions. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Who would like to cross the witness? Yes.
Talia Turner.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Your Honor, may I proceed?
Yes.
Mr. Gonzalez, you oversee the statewide competition, correct?
Correct.
Is it true that submissions must be original students' work?
Yes.
In your statement, you said AI detection tools may be used as a part of a review process, correct?
Correct.
You also stated that AI detection tools are not considered definitive proof of misconduct, right?
Right.
In this case, concerns were brought to your attention after the winner had already been announced, right?
Right.
Your organization did not independently verify whether the essay was AI generated, correct?
Correct.
Okay. You also stated that you cannot determine authorship with certainty, did you not?
Did not.
You didn't?
We did not.
But it says in your statement, we did not independently verify whether the essay was AI generated. Does that refresh your memory?
Wait, what was the question that you asked me?
Your Honor, may I refer the witness to a statement?
Yes. Does the witness have it?
Yes, I do have it.
Okay, yes. Go ahead, Chelsea.
Phrase it.
It says in the second paragraph, we did not independently verify whether
My
the
apologies.
essay. Thank you. Does that refresh your memory?
Yes, it does.
Okay. You also said that you cannot determine authorship with certainty, right?
Right.
So an AI detection result alone does not prove that a student cheated, does it?
Correct.
And because you cannot determine authorship with certainty, you cannot say with certainty that the essay was written using AI, can you?
Correct.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Thank you. Thank you. Can the witness be excused?
Yeah, may the witness be excused.
Yeah. And was Finley Gonzalez the last witness for the people?
No. Yes, Your Honors.
And do the people have any other evidence, or do the people rest?
The people rest.
All right, the people rest. Would the defense like to call some witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
The defense called.
No, go ahead.
The defense calls Jordan Reyes.
All right.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
And you're going to question the defendant?
Yes,
You
sir.
may proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Can you please state your name and grade for the record?
My name is Aiden, and I'm a junior. No, Jordan. I'm sorry.
How would you describe your academics during your junior year?
I took it very seriously. I was trying to earn good grades.
How important was this scholarship to you?
It was very important because it would help me and my family a lot in the future.
When did you begin working on your essay for this competition?
I began working on the essay around March 8th.
Can you describe the process you used to write your essay?
I spent several evenings outlining, revising, and drafting my essay.
Did you work on your essay in more than one location?
Yes, I worked at it both at school and at home.
What devices did you use to work on your essay?
I used my school Chromebook as well as school computers.
When did you submit your essay?
I submitted my essay on March 14th.
How did you feel about your essay when you submitted it?
I felt very confident and excited about the opportunity to earn the scholarship.
Now to address the allegations on the use of AI, did you use any tools or resources to help with your writing?
Yes, I used an AI tool, but only for brainstorming and grammar checks.
Did you use the AI tool to write the essay for you?
No.
Did you copy and paste any text directly from the AI tool onto your essay?
I did not.
Did you understand the competition rules?
Yes.
Are you aware of the allegations that you accessed the restricted teacher grading portal?
I'm aware.
Did you ever access the restricted teacher grading portal?
No.
Did you know how to access it?
No, and even if I did, I would not.
Have you ever shared your Chromebook or logins with any other student?
Yes, it's a common occurrence at the school to share Chromebooks between students.
Why do you think your essay was different from your previous works?
I think it was different because I knew what was at stake with the scholarship, and so I spent a lot more time and effort than I would on a regular essay.
Okay. Moving on to the information regarding the fire. Did you start the fire behind the media center?
No, I did not.
Were you present at the scene?
No.
How did you learn about the fire?
I learned about the fire after I prepared.
Did you try to destroy evidence related to the essay or the competition?
No, I did not.
What do you want the court to understand about your actions regarding the essay and the competition?
I understand these allegations seriously, but I worked hard and honestly to earn the opportunity to get this scholarship.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. And who's going to cross the defendant?
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
Is your name Jordan Reyes?
Yes.
Are you a junior at your current high school?
Yes.
Sunny Patel is your teacher, right?
This is correct.
How seriously do you take your future?
Very seriously.
Are you old enough to make your own decisions and mistakes?
Yes.
If you were to make a mistake, would you promptly take accountability for it?
Yes.
Is it your goal to continue your education after high school?
Yes.
Are you aware that the scholarship associated with the competition included $5,000?
I'm aware.
In your statement, you mentioned how the money would be very valuable to you. Is this correct?
This is correct.
Is it correct to assume that losing the competition would have had a negative impact on you and / or your future?
Yes.
When did you begin working on the essay you submitted?
I began working on it around March 8th.
Did you use your school-issued Chromebook during this process?
Yes, I did.
The ID to your Chromebook is 44521, correct?
This is correct.
Are you aware that your laptop had opened a restricted file titled Essay Rubric Advanced at 8:16 p.m. March 13th?
I'm aware.
Did you gain access to the teacher grading system in which you are prohibited from?
I did not gain access to the system.
Would you know how to do so?
No.
Have you used AI prior to the essay?
Yeah.
Was no AI used in any way during the essay?
No.
Are you aware of your school's lack of restrictions for AI?
I'm aware.
Would you take advantage of that?
No.
Even if it benefited you or your future?
No, I would not.
Did you start the fire that occurred on March 21st?
No.
Did you witness the fire?
No.
Are you aware that your essay was marked more AI than not?
I'm aware.
Is it true that there's a significant difference in quality between your usual assignments and the essay submitted on March 14th, approximately 9:02 p.m.?
I'm aware.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May this witness be excused?
Yeah. Defense have another witness they'd like to call?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense calls Phoenix Brown to the stand.
Phoenix Brown. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
All right, and questioning Phoenix Brown?
Yes.
You
May I
may-
proceed, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Please state your name to the court.
Phoenix Brown.
What school do you go to?
I go to First Community High School.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 12th grade.
How do you know Jordan?
We go to school together.
Would you say you guys are friends?
Yes, we are.
What verdict are you hoping for today?
I'm hoping for the verdict of truth, which I believe is his innocence.
Have you ever done school assignments with Jordan?
Yes, I have.
What type of assignments?
Writing assignments.
Have you seen Jordan's process of submitting work?
Yes, Jordan usually spends time improving his work before submitting it.
Did you see Jordan working on the essay for the competition?
Yes, around March 12th in the library.
Did you hear Jordan talking about using AI with another student? If so, what did he say?
He said something along the line of, you just have to know how to use it right, and it makes things easier.
Was he saying that AI needs to write everything for him?
No.
How do you know this?
He was saying that AI needs to be used as help, not as a way to do everything for you.
Have you and Jordan ever discussed using AI?
Yes, we talked about brainstorming ideas using AI for writing assignments.
Have you and Jordan ever used AI to write your assignments for you?
Me and Jordan have never done that.
Do students at your school share Chromebooks?
Yes, we do share Chromebooks.
Do students at your school also log in on each other's devices?
Yes, we also log on each other's devices.
Were you under the impression that you could use AI for help with your schoolwork?
Yes, I believe that I can use AI to help me with my schoolwork when needed.
Has your school told you you couldn't use AI?
As of recently, the school did, but before the incident, I was not told I couldn't use AI.
Are you with Jordan 24 hours of the day?
No.
Do you monitor Jordan?
No.
No further questions, Matt.
Thank you. And who's gonna cross?
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yeah.
You go to school with Jordan Reyes, correct?
Correct.
Are you friends with Jordan Reyes?
Yes.
Do you have any classes with Jordan?
Yes.
Have you worked on any assignments with Jordan?
Yes.
Have you ever used AI on those assignments?
No.
You would like Jordan to be found not guilty, correct?
No, I want the truth.
Correct.
Correct.
Were you with Jordan every moment while the essay was being written?
No.
You did not see Jordan write every word of the essay, correct?
Correct.
Have you heard Jordan talking about the use of AI?
No. Yes. Yes.
Is it true that Jordan said something similar to, you just have to know how to use it, right? Is that correct?
Correct.
Jordan told another student that AI could make things easier, correct?
Correct.
Do you know how much AI Jordan used?
No.
Students at your school have shared logins before, correct?
Correct.
Have you and Jordan ever shared logins?
No.
Before he turned in his essay, were you ever on his Chromebook?
Can you repeat that?
Before Jordan turned in his essay, were you ever on his Chromebook?
No.
Did you witness who used Jordan's Chromebook?
No.
You did not witness who used Jordan's Chromebook, correct?
Correct.
On March 13th, were you present when the grading portal was accessed?
No.
So overall, you cannot say for certain that Jordan did not access the grading portal, correct?
Correct.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions.
Thank you.
May this witness be excused?
Yeah. Does the defense have another witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense calls Dr. Blue Garcia to the stand.
Dr. Blue Garcia. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
And you're questioning Dr. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
May I proceed?
Yeah.
Please state your names to the court.
My name is Dr. Louis Garcia.
What is your profession?
I'm a specialist in computer science with a focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Do you have college education? And if so, what are your college certifications?
I hold a PhD in computer science from the University of California, as well as a master's degree in data science and a bachelor's degree in computer engineering.
What field do you work in, and how long have you worked in this field?
I've been working in the field of artificial intelligence for approximately 10 years.
In that period of time, what work and studies have you done?
During that time, I've conducted research, published articles, and consulted on issues related to AI-generated analysis.
What programs are you familiar with in the artificial intelligence field?
I'm familiar with AI detection software, including tools that assign a percentage likelihood that a piece of writing was generated by artificial intelligence.
What aspects do these AI detection tools look for, according to you?
These tools analyze patterns such as sentence structure, word choice, and predictability of language.
Are AI detection results definitive?
A result such as 78% likely AI generated does not mean that the text is actually written by AI. It simply means that certain patterns were detected that may be consistent with AI generated writing.
What limits do these AI detection programs have?
There are several limitations, one of which being that they can produce false positives. For example, writing that is highly well edited, highly structured, or revised with the assistance of grammar tools can sometimes be flagged for AI, even when they have been written by a human.
Can these tools detect whether a human or AI has written a document being scanned?
These tools cannot identify who wrote the document or how it was created.
What methods are there to confirm that AI definitively has written parts of a document or the whole document?
In my experience, there is currently no reliable method that can definitively prove that a specific piece of writing was generated by AI or that a specific person used AI in a particular way.
What is your testimony based on?
My testimony is based on my knowledge of how these tools generally function and their known limitations.
Addressing the court, how would you perceive the AI detection source as evidence?
Based on my expertise, I would say that an AI detection score by itself should be interpreted with caution and should not be considered conclusive evidence of misconduct.
Thank you, Honor. I have no further questions.
Thank you. And who would?
Hello, Your Honor.
Yes.
May I proceed?
Yeah.
So you're a computer specialist,
Yes.
and you have 10 years experience with AI,
Yes.
and you have a PhD in computer science.
That would be correct.
You have a master's degree in data science and a bachelor's degree in computer engineering,
Both of those are accurate.
and you've studied how AI systems generate text and how the identification tools attempt to identify it.
Yes.
You're knowledgeable on how AI detection software assigns a percentage based on how likely a piece of writing is AI.
Yes.
You claim there is no reliable way of detecting if something is AI or not.
Yeah.
But if something is not reliable, doesn't mean it's always wrong, does it?
That would be accurate.
So if something were to say X amount percent AI generated, does that mean it's still possible it's actually AI generated?
It is accurate. That is accurate.
So can you say Jordan is truly innocent if AI use is still possible?
No.
Can you prove that Jordan did not use AI?
No.
Is it possible that Jordan may have taken AI generated text and slightly modified it for his essay?
It is a possibility.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. The court has a question. Dr. Garcia, you said something about 78%.
Yes.
What was that in relation to?
It was in relation to a generalized number, such being that a AI-generated content. I'm sorry. So if something is 78% AI generated, it does not definitively prove that something is completely AI generated or that it was AI generated. It simply means that it was a well-structured essay or whatever.
Thank you, Dr. Garcia. Can Dr. Garcia be excused? I'm sorry? Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Garcia. Defense have another witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The defense calls Quinn Lively.
All right.
Quinn Lively.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the full truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may be seated.
Ready to proceed, counsel?
Your Honor, may I proceed?
Yes.
Please introduce yourself to the court and explain your role at First Community High School.
My name is Dr. Quinn Lively, and I am the assistant principal of First Community High School.
What responsibilities do you have regarding academic integrity and school policies?
I oversee student discipline, academic integrity matters, and student policies.
At the time of this incident, what guidance did the school provide to students about the use of AI tools?
Students were given general technology guidelines, but there was little guidance about AI.
Did the school have a specific written policy explaining what a level of AI use would be considered misconduct?
No, there was not a clear written rule regarding AI writing programs.
How would you describe the school standards for AI use at that time?
The rules were not very specific because there was no detailed AI policy.
Were students already using AI tools for educational purposes, such as brainstorming, editing, or researching?
Yes, students were already using AI tools for those reasons.
Why did the school later review and update its policies regarding AI use?
We updated our policies to provide clearer guidance about AI use.
Can you explain the security measures that were in place for staff accounts at the time of these events?
Staff accounts were protected by usernames and passwords.
How can shared or reused passwords affect an investigation into who actually accessed an account?
Shared or reused passwords can create difficulties determining who actually accessed a system.
Based on your knowledge, what challenges existed in determining whether a student had violated a clearly defined AI rule?
Because there was no detailed writing guidance, and no clear standard for AI use, it could be difficult to determine whether a student had violated a clearly defined AI rule.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Thank you. And who would like to cross the witness? Yes.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
Is it true that your name is Quinn Lively?
Yes,
You're an assistant principal at First Community High School, correct?
correct.
And you worked in education for 15 years.
Yes,
Is it true that you served in your current role as assistant principal for 6 years?
correct.
And part of your responsibilities, it concludes ensuring students are informed about school rules and expectations, including policies governing the use of school-issued devices and digital systems.
Yes,
And at the time of the incident, the school had a general technology policy in place that prohibited the misuse of school systems and unauthorized access to restricted areas, correct?
correct.
However, the system does not use additional security measures such as the factor authentication, correct?
Correct.
Is it true you were aware that passwords may be shared or reused, which can create vulnerabilities and determine who actually access the system?
Correct.
And is it true you were present when the ILEC computer access occurred?
No.
And you didn't witness any events related to the fire, correct?
Correct.
No further questions, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm ready to finish this, please.
Yeah. Does the defense have any further witnesses?
No.
Does the defense rest?
Yes.
All right, both sides having rested, do the people have a closing argument?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who's gonna give the closing argument? All right. Whenever you're ready, counsel.
We are here today because Jordan Reyes committed several crimes in his pursuit to win a $5,000 scholarship. Your Honor, during this trial, you have heard evidence from 5 prosecution witnesses. You have heard how Jordan did everything possible to win the $5,000. He didn't just stop by using AI to write his essay. He accessed a restricted grading system and later committed arson when he tried to destroy evidence of his crimes. First, you have heard from Sunny Patel, Jordan's teacher. She has told you Jordan would struggle with writing essays. It was also Sunny Patel who would report Jordan's competition essay was completely different from his typical writing style. Next, you have heard from Leslie Hill, IT administrator at his school. She has explained that the restricted grading portal was accessed by Jordan's Chromebook. You heard from the school resource officer, Deputy Morgan Yamato. You have heard details from the arson investigation. You have heard from the fire investigator, Sage Taylor, who provided details of the fire burn pattern. Lastly, you have heard from Finley Gonzalez, who explained that student essay submissions must be original student work. Your Honor, one person has the motive, one person has the access. The evidence all points to one person, and that one person is Jordan Reyes. We ask that you find the defendant guilty of all charges.
Thank you, counsel. Would the defense like to give their closing argument?
We would. Yes,
All right.
May I proceed?
Yeah.
Your Honor, throughout this trial, the prosecution has asked you to connect a series of assumptions and hypotheses and treat them as proof of guiltiness. But our justice system requires more than that. It requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The people want you to believe Jordan Reyes illegally accessed the school's grading portal, yet their own evidence shows that the login can only be traced to a device assigned to Jordan. We heard testimony that students sometimes share devices and passwords. The system had weak security and did not verify the identity of the person using the device. Even the prosecution's witness admitted that they could not identify who actually logged in. The prosecution also points to Jordan's essay in AI detection. But the report itself states that it is only an estimate and that false positives can occur. Their own witnesses could not prove that Jordan used AI improperly. In fact, defense witness Blue Garcia explained that AI detection tools can be unreliable and should not be treated as definitive evidence. Jordan openly admitted using AI for brainstorming, which was not clearly prohibited by the school's policy at the time. As for the fire at the school's media center, there is even less evidence connecting Jordan to the crime. No eyewitnesses identified Jordan. Surveillance footage showed only an unidentified person in a dark hoodie. The fire investigator could not properly identify an accelerant. No container was found. No physical evidence places Jordan at the scene. The people ask you to fill these gaps with assumptions, but assumptions are not evidence. When circumstantial evidence allows for two reasonable conclusions, one pointing to guilt and one pointing to innocence, you must choose the conclusion that points to innocence. In this case, there are many reasonable explanations that do not involve Jordan committing these crimes. The people has to show proof that they just can't. Jordan Reyes does not have to prove innocence. The people must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt on every single charge. They have not done so. The evidence leaves unanswered questions, uncertain conclusions, and reasonable doubt. And when reasonable doubt exists, the law requires only one verdict. On behalf of Jordan Reyes, I ask that you return not guilty on all counts.
Thank you, counsel. And that summarizes everything?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can everybody in the crowd give these wonderful kids a round of applause? Hey, so a couple of things. Before I indicate what I think and what my verdict is going to be, a couple of things. All of you young people are awesome. Actually, you're super awesome. You know, standing up in front of a group of people, some of the people here are strangers, is one of the most challenging things that human beings do, public speaking. And so to all of you, I am super impressed. And I want to say a couple of things about, where's Miss Dolores? Millionaire mind kids. I'm going to brag for a second. My daughter is in law school. And when I was in the public defender's office, she participated in this program. And, you know, I believe and know that one of the reasons that Dolores named this camp Millionaire Mind Kids is because all of you are destined to succeed. And I thought about what I was going to say to y'all. I was hoping there was a pillar in here. I don't see any pillars. That might be a pillar. And a pillar is something that holds up a structure, a building. And buildings can't remain standing unless there are pillars. And then people can be pillars. Dolores is a pillar in this community. How long have you been doing this program for?
21 years.
21 years. And this is an awesome program because even though all of you are young, you know, you're teenagers, and it may be difficult right now to wrap your mind around the idea that one day, and I just saw a supervising district attorney walk into the courtroom, Mr. Chris Walton. He works for the district attorney. And those of you who want to go to law school can do it because I did it and Mr. Walton did it. Mr. Thompson was here earlier, and participating in this program is really a good foundation. And I hope some of you who participated in the program, participated in the mock trial today, will consider going to law school. Or Sergeant Gomez just walked into the courtroom. I hope that some of you will decide you want to go into law enforcement. Because here's the thing, if you turn on the television, you might think, man, the world is all messed up. And sometimes I even think that. But whenever I get the chance to watch a mock trial, presentation, watch young people did what all of you did today, I'm like, you know what? The world is okay. Things are going to be fine. Because all of you are the future. And I am honored to have been asked to be the judge in this mock trial presentation. All of you did an awesome job. And before I enter my verdict, I want to give you all one more round of applause. Great job. Thank you for asking me on the presentation. Thank you very much. Awesome job. All of you young people are the future. We need lawyers. We need police officers, we need cameramen, we need you because all of you are the future. All right, thank you. And so with that, I am going to indicate what I believe the appropriate verdict is in this case. And so the court finds as to count one, and I'm going to explain why I came to the conclusion that I did, but count one, violation of Penal Code Section 502C2, not guilty. Count two, violation of Penal Code Section 502C1, not guilty. Count three, violation of Penal Code Section 135, not guilty. And then finally, count four, violation of Penal Code Section 452D, not guilty. And here's why. And what the defense lawyer in her closing argument talked about the jury instructions where, if there are two reasonable interpretations of the evidence, one that points towards guilt, one that points towards innocence, you have to adopt the one that points towards innocence. And there was evidence that Jordan had a motive to commit the crime, but that unfortunately wasn't enough because other people had access to the computer system. He wasn't actually specifically identified as, being at the crime scene. So that's why, in my humble opinion, I decided as I did. But those of you who participated, those of you who were the prosecutors, what's that saying in sports? It's not, whether you win or lose, it's how you play the game, right? And all of you did an awesome job, all right? So congratulations to both sides, regardless of my head. Thank you very much.
So I'm going to read only one of the certificates because they say the same thing, and then I'm going to call up our students. San Bernardino County, Certificate of Recognition awarded to Abel Gonzalez first, before you stand Abel. On behalf of the 1st District County of San Bernardino in recognition of completing 40 hours in the Millionaire Mind Kids 2026 Law and Justice Academy, a collaboration between San Bernardino County Law and Justice Agencies, San Bernardino County Fire Protection District, and San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools. We celebrate your commitment to education, achieving your goals, and expanding your horizons. Abel Gonzalez,
Yeah, baby.
You guys right up here. Congratulations, job well done.
Congratulations, good job.
Thank you. Angel Lopez. Congratulations, job well done.
Congratulations, Angel.
Erin Gonzalez. Job well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations, man. Good job.
Let me see if I can get this name correctly pronounced. Avon Val Sorelso. You almost forgot your stage name, huh? Your real name.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Job well done. Jessa Weza. Thank you. Thank you. Job well
Good job,
done.
good job. That's it.
Isis O'Brien. Job well done, Isis.
Good job.
Good job. Congratulations. Jacob Gacholan. Congratulations. Job well done.
Congratulations.
Kylie Sanchez. Congratulations, job well done.
Good job.
Lyric Jackson. Congratulations, Lyric, job well done. Okalani Martinez. Congratulations, job well done. Royal Basinger. Congratulations, job well done. Royce Basinger. Congratulations, job well done. You don't get to.
Congratulations.
Samantha Petchett. Congratulations, job well done. Sophia Felix. Congratulations, job well done.
Good job.
Celia Turner. Congratulations, job well done.
Good job. You're welcome.
Taylin Thomas. Congratulations, job well done. We're saving the photographs for the end.
Good job.
So parents, you'll be able to take as many photographs. William Caldwell. Thank you, William. Job well done.
Good job.
Xavier Martinez.
Thank you.
Congratulations, job well
Good job.
done.
Thank you.
Darnay Stetson. Yeah. Congratulations, job well done.
Good job. Appreciate you keeping the board in order. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Important job.
Yes, it's done. Thank you.
Sire Green.
Congratulations.
This one. Congratulations, job well done.
Good job, Council. Thank you. Good job.
Okay. So now we want to recognize our student leaders and volunteers that put so much effort. And I'm just going to read one of the certificates. Certificate of Recognition awarded to Anissa Landro Alford on behalf of the 1st District County of San Bernardino in recognition of your outstanding service through excellence as a Millionaire Mind Kids 2026 Law and Justice Academy volunteer. We thank you for your commitments to the education of the youth of our high desert communities and commend you for your hard work, dedication, and valuable contributions. Anissa. Should we actually help coach the team? Are you accepting for Anissa?
Sure.
Isabella Kuo. Congratulations, job.
Congratulations. Good job.
And our youngest, Akini Arbor. Congratulations, job well done.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, good Lord, can we have Miss Roth come up? I know she's been doing and participating in the program for years. Can we give her another round of applause? Miss Roth has been doing this program for years. I know she coaches the team, and it's really, really important. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Roth.
Definitely want you in those.
Thank you. You're, yes, thank you.
Definitely want you in all the pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Second. That's okay.
Program does a lot for them, get their minds going, it's to get them planning for the future, and that's what I love. I'm very glad they have this available for all the kids. It's an amazing program.
Into Law and Justice.
I might go into law enforcement because I'm thinking about becoming a firefighter. So
It's an amazing opportunity, and I wish that there was more programs out there like this for kids to experience because it's a privilege. You know, it's really. I love it.
This is fun. I learned that I want to be a lawyer, and that's fun.
I came into the program not knowing anything about law, and I came out an attorney. Like we won. I won, guys.
oh, I learned a lot of stuff about being a witness.
I learned that there's a lot of different careers in the community, and all of them have a very important part in the world, changing the world and sculpting it to be its best, to be the best that it can be.
I learned that basically your voice will be heard no matter what, and even the littlest things you could get praised and rewarded for.
I learned a lot today. I've been helping the older kids with the Law and Justice Academy since it started on Monday. So I learned Ooh, I learned if you want something done in life, you really have to work hard for it. It's not gonna get given to you.